Singh claim the above deductions and how did it impact his tax liabilities? So first, starting with section 80C, Rocket Singh has considered employees' contribution to EPF, that is 6,000 into 12, 72,000 rupees. He has a term insurance policy where he's paying 8,000 rupees per annum. So the premium of that is considered. Now to claim the entire deduction of 1.5 lakh rupees, he is 70,000 rupees short. So he decides to invest that money in a public provident fund. Now, apart from this, he claims deductions in NPS by investing 50,000 rupees in that and taking a health insurance for himself and his parents by taking a deduction of further 50,000 rupees in that. And he anyway gets the standard deduction of 50,000 rupees. So his taxable income after claiming all these tax deductions gets reduced to 5,24,000 rupees. Yes, so we started with 12 lakh rupees and after all the deductions, now his net taxable income is 5,24,000 rupees. Now when he considers this 5,24,000 rupees, the income tax that he has to pay per month is reduced to 1,500 rupees. That is a total tax liability for the year of 18,000 rupees. Now when we started, Rocket Singh had not claimed any tax deductions. So the tax liability that he was paying in the beginning was 15,000 rupees for 1 month. And after claiming all the tax deductions, he is paying for the entire year the taxes of 18,000 rupees. So that is the amount of difference that the proper tax planning can make in your numbers.